right, the big question a lot of us ask is, what is the realistic lifespan of a ceramic coating? What should I expect?
Yeah, well, depends on what kind of coating you put on, right? You have different durations, but we also have a product we're releasing called hyperCLEAN STAK. It's the STAK protection on your car. We all know that we have ceramic coatings for one reason first, so our car always looks great, but also ease of maintenance and protecting our clear coat. And this allows us to stack a little more protection. This is our rapid ceramic coating. This car's had a coating on it about 6 or so months. So we're gonna be able to show real life. We've applied a coating to this. There's a coating on the surface. You can see it's got some bird droppings on it. It's kind of needs some love. So we're gonna talk about realistic expectations, but also how you can use products like hyperCLEAN STAK to go ahead and help you the lifespan of your coating, keep it healthy, and maybe even make it last longer.
Well, and the fun part of the way we do it, we're gonna chop it up while we work.
Yeah.
But let's go clean some wheels. Let's get to it.
Yep.
All right, we'll get the official chop it up as we go, but hopefully everybody enjoyed that little montage of wheel cleaning and rinsing off. Now we're going into the wash. What are we using and why?
hyperCLEAN Cleanse. Again, if this is just a normal maintenance, we're gonna be adding a little bit of extra protection with STAK. So we're gonna get this as clean as possible. This is our purifying shampoo, a little bit of bite to it, so it's gonna clean off any extra grime. We know we have some things on the paint, but this car is in overall good shape. If you can see it on the camera, coating's performing really well.
Any reason why we're cleansing before we're using a decon?
You could go either way. I prefer this because I want to get the dirt and grime off. That way the iron decon can actually get to where it needs to go.
Cool. We got it. When we're talking realistic expectations of a ceramic coating,
Yep.
we got to ask this question then. You're going in with in a sense, strip wash.
Yep.
So realistic expectation of a ceramic coating, should it withstand chemicals and should it have chemical resistance?
Yes, it should be one of the biggest reasons you have a ceramic coating is for its chemical resistance. When you have it for its chemical resistance, our coatings resist chemicals basically all the way to 14 on the pH scale. Technically, it says 13.5. That's just for the manufacturer variants there. But this stands up to any type of thing you could throw at it. This is 8, 9, 10 on the pH scale. This is just a little bite. This isn't tough at all on your coating. It's actually pretty healthy for it.
Yeah. One bucket method, versatile. We'll be using all 8 sides of our towel as the way we do it.
Yeah, go ahead and take our cannon, empty it out into our wash bucket.
All right, well, we're thinking that question. What is the realistic expectation of a ceramic coating? It has just, when you're thinking of the question, you go, it's got kind of a negative, like somebody's already been bitten, right? Like
Yeah.
Once bitten, twice shy in a sense.
Yeah, you know, when you slap ceramic on everything and you have those moments where we went through the graphene stuff, and I understand the confusion, you know, I do, especially if this isn't what you do for a living. And I even understand that a lot of beginners professionally struggle with how to make the right choices on ceramic coatings and different things like that. So I absolutely understand that, you know, people have confusion. And instead of getting mad and upset by it, you know, we just need to talk it through. First of all, there's no such thing on your car as a set it and forget it situation. PPF is not set it and forget it. Vinyl wrap's not set it and forget it. Hell, even window tint is not set it and forget it. Let me explain. You put window tint on, great window tint, lasts a very long time. Doesn't mean you don't have to clean your windows.
Did you get that?
I have not, right? You still have to clean your windows. You still have to take care of them. You still have to treat your tint properly. And, you know, if I'm a consumer or I'm somebody just trying to understand ceramic coating, think about this. It's really, really durable protection. Extremely durable protection, okay? That doesn't mean you can just beat your car up forever and expect the coating to perform properly, okay? Because again...
That might seem a little bit, I mean, of course I know I can't beat it up, but what do you mean?
Well, you can't not wash your car for 2 years and expect that everything's gonna run perfectly and the coating system is gonna act perfectly. It may be on the paint, but your car may not look great because you haven't washed it in 2 years. And again, I always say this, I've never met somebody that bought a coating that said, hey, you know what I want? I want my car to look really bad, right? It's usually, I'm getting the coating because I want to care about my car. And so part of caring about your car is understanding that you're going to have to take care of it. And the coating makes that easier to do, right? And then when you're done doing it, here's the great part. Your car looks like it was freshly detailed, okay? So that's the purpose of a coating. The ultimate purpose is, whether we want to say this or not, is that it protects the clear coat. Manufacturers are getting worse and worse about their paint systems, less and less paint, less and less clear coat. So let's say you are going to keep your car for a decent length of time. Ceramic coating is pretty much a no-brainer. And it's a no-brainer because you don't have that much paint to play with anymore.
All right, but that seems kind of strange, right?
Oh yeah, should manufacturers do X, Y, and Z? No, I mean, should Dodge have the same electrical issues it's had for 25 years? Should Land Rover have the same electrical issues it's had for 25 years? No. Should they have fixed all those issues? Of course. But when you buy cars, and if you've bought enough of them, you realize certain manufacturers just aren't going to fix the problem. And the minute they realize they can get away with putting less paint on, saving them money, making it cheaper for them to build a car, that's exactly what they're going to do. And that's okay. That's where ceramic coating, paint protection film, hell, even waxes and sealants, right? They all have a place. If you were going to wax your car every 30 days and never miss, wax is a good product. But you and I come from a time when people would convince themselves, I'm going to go get my car waxed. You say, hey man, it's going to last about 30 days. You wouldn't see that person for another 3 years, okay? So products work how they work, and you can't change that. And you can't think that I'm going to set and forget anything on my car. You're not going to set and forget your engine. You're not going to set and forget your tires. You're going to have to change those. And so I wish things were a little different. I wish people spoke about ceramic coating differently, but guess what? Here we are, and we just got to live with it.